Hey everyone, my name is Yuri. I'm from Brazil. I'm currently a veterinary student and the president of the International Veterinary Students Association. Yeah, so I believe it's extremely important for young professionals to be here at these events where they have the opportunity to learn from some of the best names regarding small animals practice, and also have the opportunity to network with different people from many countries and many different areas inside this small animals area. Yeah. Really looking forward to see you guys in WSAVA Congress 2023 in Lisbon. I definitely will be there and hope to see you as well.